Hello guys, it's me, Daniel Nunez. I am a admin, but I don't want to expose it yet. Oh my god! But why everybody's so... This game, everybody's so greedy. They don't know I'm the admin. I just don't want to use my admin, that's it. No! Why someone... No! No! Don't slap me! Don't slap me. Everybody here is super bad. Everybody here is super bad. They keep slapping me, but I'm not even doing something to them. Am I doing something to them? No. Bombom Diaz Lucias. Let's slap, buddy. No! This game, everybody's so greedy. Stop! I will create private server on this, promise. I will create a private server on this, promise guys. Promise, I will create. Bro, let me win! Bro! What is this game? Bro, I'm sorry guys, I keep raging because of this game! Bro! 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 Someone tried to slap me, bro. Stop slapping me, okay? Bro! No! No! No, bro! No! I was here. I'm raging! To be honest, I keep raging. I hate you guys! Whoever played this, stop playing this. And this is the only game that makes me rage. If I rage like 50 times, I will quit this game. Everybody, my friends said, I keep raging at this game. If you not rage for like 50 times, I will give you 1,000. That's my goal. But they keep making... No! That's my friend! Ow! You slapped my friend. No slapping friends. I'll slap you. It's my turn to slap you. Oh, let's go! Wait, I'm gonna die. No! I hate you guys. I hate you. If I create a private server of this, you're cooked, guys. Oh my god! If I rage quit now 50 times, rage quit, I will kill you. No! What is that? I will keep rage quitting. I will create a private server. I will not post this video only in Amazon. I will not post this video. If you like and subscribe to me, I will not post this video, okay? And I'm done in the video. I'm done.